Welcome to the YouTube channel, God Renew the Mind. This digital journal is teaching all that God has to say through the mind and what God has to say about the mind. It's just a channel that's all about the mind of God. It's all about the mind of Christ. It's all about how God uses the minds of people. And we all know that through the Spirit of God is where the work is done. The Spirit of God, it is what teaches the mind of man on what to do next. Jesus, our God, our Savior, and our Redeemer, He wants to cleanse the mind of all unrighteousness. He wants to cleanse the mind of the filthiness of the flesh. So relax, enjoy the videos, share these videos because these videos are one of a kind. The messages are one of a kind, and it just needs to be told throughout the world. Lots and millions of messages need to be told, to be honest. But, I just happen to have one also that needs to be shared. So, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the channel, learn, receive, and let God use your mind. Let God renew your mind so that He can use your mind. God bless you.